Thank you very much. The first question would be, how did durability testing evolve over time? Is it now more than in the past, or how is the progression there?
Oh, wow. It has changed so much. So we try to meet the customer where they live and really understand how they actually use the parts, the products over time. And we've learned every single generation. So part of it comes from our engineers' imagination of what they can imagine the customers will expose it to. But a lot of it comes from us actually looking to see what the customers are actually doing. Okay. We have a lot of telemetry on our devices that let us know different ways they use it. If they choose to share data with Apple, it comes back anonymously to us. And we look at that to figure out what patterns are changing. And we also watch what returns are coming back and everything else to see if people are changing their usage patterns. And so over that's made us add test after test after test. We never take any away. We just keep adding. Because people find new and interesting ways to keep using our devices and that we didn't necessarily expect or predict in some cases. And then once we learn that, we then study how often they do things that way, and then we develop a synthetic test like you saw in the labs today where we can make it very reproducible and scientific, and make sure that we can guarantee that the customer will be kept safe and reliable no matter what way they might go to use it. So yeah, it has evolved. You saw, I think, a small portion of all the different types of tests that we might go do.
Okay, then this is, I think, the second question. Fits very well. So I think that if you apply enough force, everything will fail at some point.
Yes.
How do you decide if it fails in some tests that you need to do it more durable, to make it better, to change anything?
It goes back to the first answer and us figuring out exactly how customers use it, right? So if it's not, I watch let's say the drop heights people drop devices from, right? It's not going to be 10 meters, right? Humans don't live up there very much, right? It's where humans actually live and interact with it. So we very much use that data to say what's durable enough. And it's really making sure we cover the usages that we think are a part of everyday life and not necessarily designing it for any theoretical extreme that does it. Because at the end of the day, we're trying to balance a lot of different things. We're trying to make sure it has great performance, we have great portability, and great reliability. And so as we do all those things together, we have to balance all those things. So we try not to overdo any one of those. Okay. Right? Because it's all about those constraints that are on our different engineering.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.
All right, great. Nice meeting you.
Thank you. You too.